Good evening to everyone. I am Sahiti. In this video, we are going to understand how a Telegram chatbot works and how we can it connect with the Firebase using the Node.js. Here, I'll explain the code line by line. Here, the Node Telegram bot API means it connects the Node.js with the Telegram chatbot, and we will use it in the command prompt. And here AXIOS means it is used to call an external APIs like COT APIs, Weather API or Joke API or any etc. And here the Firebase admin, this connects backend with the Firebase, and the get file store represents and it gives access to the file store to the database. Here constant and here this is my token which is given by the bot further in the telegram using poll this using polling true. Our bot continuously checks for a new messages. Here this is an polling error handling. This helps us debug errors related to the Telegram connection or network issues. Here, these lines are connecting the Firebase to the Node.js. The service account key is a private file that authenticates our backend with the Firebase. After initialization, the database presents our Firebase to the database. Here there is a small mistake. Okay, and here this bot on message async message represents this function runs every time when the user sends a message to the bot. This message contains the message text or user id and the chat details. Here, the constant input and the constant command, these are used for the reading command from user to the input. That means we split the message into the words and treat the first word as a command, and to uppercase means it makes the bot case sensitive. And here insert means this is the command which we used in the telegram chatbot to insert my name in the database. I'll show it later at the end of the video. Here await means this code explains when the data is stored in the firebase, the user id ensures that the each user's data is stored separately. It doesn't mix the people's database. Here dot where this get command retrieving data from the firebase. That this means it ensures the users only sees their own data. It also gives the security for the every user, and the bot fetches all the documents from the file store and sends them back to a readable format. Here the constant response means this shows how we can integrate a third party apis. This means or any extra apis, the bot fetches a random code and sends it to the user, and if the user enters an unknown command, the bot displays only available commands. This is an catcher, as we know that this is an error handling in the javascript, and this prevents the application from the crashing and helps in the debugging. Now I'll run it in the command prompt. To run this code, you have to install these packages. First, you have to check the version. Uh, you have to type the node space hyphen version, and this is my version. And to install the telegram to run this code, I am installing the packages npm space I space, and I am copied this node telegram bot api. This is an package type of package, and I have installed. And this is an another package npm air firebase admin. Here it is present. And this is the third package I have installed, npm space ispace firebase admin. Don't confuse these two, firebase admin app and the firebase admin firestore. These three are the packages that I have run in the command prompt. And this is my code. To run this, you have to type node space 401.js, and I'll show it from the scratch. I have saved it in the desktop chatbot, and this is my file. Type cmd command prompts. I have already installed the packages, so that's why I'm directly typing node space filename dot js. And you have to get this is the if the bot started the in we can go to the telegram chatbot. This is my bot further, and this is my token which is given by the bot further. And this is my new bot. I'm clicking it, and wait, I'll show. You can type qot. Okay. Okay, see, this is in cot, and I want to insert my name in the database. So these are the previous names that I have inserted. Insert name, your name. And after this, I'll show the changes which is done in the Firestore. After inserting, you have to type the get to get your name. This is the data which stored in the Firebase. Okay, now I'll explain the Firebase. Firebase.google.com. Okay, you have to click on the get started in console. For the new users, you have to click on the create a new Firebase project. I have already created a project that this is my full stack 401. I have created a project named full stack, and you have to go to the build, and you have to search for the Firestore database, which that data stored in a database, the Telegram data. See, these are my documents. As I have already shown that these all names bring a changes in the five star database. These are the changes, and this is my personal data, and this is a created data. As I have explained this command in the original code in the VS. This is my data which is stored in the Firebase. So the final conclusion is I have already explained the code and how to run it in the command prompt. And you have to create a telegram, and the bot folder will give you an token, and this is your new bot. You have to type for the code, and it's giving the code, and it is inserting my name. These names, this data will make and changes when I insert another name. This make and changes in my Firebase as I have shown here. These are the changes as it is in the represented in the form of an some type of code, like numbers and and this is my data which is stored in a Firebase. So in this video we learn how a Telegram chatbot